In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Ally Bank locations near me. If you're trying to locate an Ally Bank ATM or a place where you can get cash back nearby, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and how to search so you can quickly view the closest available locations. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Ally website at ally.com. Once the site loads, you'll be on the main Ally homepage. This is where you can access different banking tools and services, including the location finder for ATMs and cashback spots. From there, look for the option that lets you find ATMs or cashback locations near you. This is the feature Ally provides to help customers locate places where they can access cash. Even though Ally is primarily an online bank, if you're specifically searching for a physical place connected to Ally services, this is the section you'll want to use. After opening the ATM and cashback locator, you'll see a search bar. In that search field, type in your address or your zip code. This helps the website identify your area and show you the most relevant nearby results. If you want the most accurate results, entering a full address can be helpful, but a zip code usually works well too. Once you've entered your address or zip code, click the search button. This tells the locator to scan the area you entered and pull up available locations nearby. Make sure your entry is correct before searching so the results are as accurate as possible. After you click search, the nearby locations will appear. You should then be able to view the results and identify the options closest to you. Depending on the page layout, the results may be shown on a map, in a list, or both. This makes it easier to compare locations and choose the one that's most convenient for you. As a helpful tip, take a quick look at the details shown for each result before heading out. That can help you confirm whether you're going to an ATM location or a place that offers cash back, which can save you time. And that's it. By going to Ally's website, opening the ATM and cashback locator, entering your address or zip code, and clicking search, you can quickly find nearby Ally-related cash access locations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find what you need.